How to add song in Instagram story with videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can add songs to Instagram story with videos, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to add songs to Instagram story with videos, not photos this time, we're talking about videos, all you have to do is just open up Instagram, then tap on the plus icon from the top left. Now you have to simply select the video that you might want to add. So I'll just select a random video here. So let's say that this is the video on which I want to actually add on my story with a music from Instagram itself. So for that, all I need to do is just tap on the sticker icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once I tap on that sticker like icon, you'll find the option called music over here. In case you don't find it, you can also utilize the search bar or just tap on the music button. Now choose a music that you basically want. Now you can simply choose the variation of that music on the what kind of sticker you want it to appear. You can select the duration and the verse you want it to sing, and then just tap on the done button. Once done, you have successfully added your music to this particular video story on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.